Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Kaspa on Mexc Global. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you have an account on Mexc Global. If you do not have an account, by using our link in the description of the video, you can claim 1000 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. So guys, with a verified account, how do you buy the Kaspa on Mexc? Head over to the wallet section at the bottom right. Once there, you're dropped at the overview. So simply scroll from the overview to the spot. The reason we are working with the spot wallet is to be able to deposit cryptocurrency outside of Mexc. So let's say you've got some crypto in some other exchanges or some other wallets. You could simply make use of their crypto section to deposit cryptocurrencies assets that you hold outside. If you have some crypto, you could deposit it here. If you want to work with fiat currency, or if you have fiat currency you'd like to use on Mexc, so if you scroll from futures to fiat, you could simply click on the buy crypto option. You're taken to a menu where you can simply purchase cryptocurrency by using your fiat card, that is your debit card, your Visa card, your MasterCard as well. So depending on your region, if you select Euro, you could simply deposit your Euro from your bank. If you select GBP, if you select JPY and the Russian rubies and any other cryptocurrency, any other fiat currency that you possess, you could add your bank information, your home address, and simply click on buy USDT. So once you've purchased the USDT or the crypto, all you need to do to buy Kaspa is quite simple. Head over to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen and you're dropped at the spot trading option. Now, in order to buy yourself the Kaspa, head to the spot wallet, click on KASUSDT and simply search for Kaspa. So once you've clicked on Kaspa, that's KAS. Once you've clicked on it, select the buy option, not the sell. Select buy. Set your trading pattern or your trading style or your trading option to market. Market is us basically buying at the current price of the market. So if you have 100 USDT or 10 USDT, as the minimum is 5, if you have 5 or more, you could buy a good amount of the Kaspa on your wallet. And once you click on buy Kaspa, the Kaspa will then be deposited on your spot wallet right here, which you could confirm after a reload. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.